This might be the most innocent looking SQL query ever written, but in production select all can quietly waste memory, slow down your application, and make your database work harder than it needs to. The asterisk means return everything from this table, including the data my use case doesn't need. That means that you move a bunch of unnecessary data across the network, and a few extra bytes every now and then can easily become gigabytes of traffic in the long run. If your application is widely used and you don't fix your query soon, you will waste gigabytes of traffic. Depending on how your query is written, using select all can also prevent the database from using covering indexes because the index probably doesn't contain every column in the table. Now MySQL has to fetch the data from the entire table. And here's another thing, if a developer performs some maintenance on your table and adds a column or two, your query performance will change without you knowing. Add the new column today and every select all query suddenly starts returning more data. Maybe you only need a username, but if you issue queries like this, your database has to read and return all of the rows from all of the columns while also transferring the data, and your application has to process it. The fix is simple. Ditch select all and only select the columns you actually need. Your database will read less data, your app will process less data, and your future self and the developers around you will thank you.